Hello and good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to add a new workspace to your Eclipse program. So what I want to do, I want to create here a new folder that I'm going to call um, Project Code Mastery. And here is the folder where I'm going to want to store all my files that I'm going to use in my projects. So now I'm going to click on File, I'm going to go on to Switch Workspace, and then I'm going to press Other. And now I need to select the folder that I just created, and it's called Project Code Mastery. I'm going to select the folder, and I'm going to press Launch. At this point, Eclipse is going to essentially restart, and once it's going to be back on the screen, it's going to be displaying the new workspace that we just created. So all the classes, all the exercises, all the code that we're gonna write are gonna be created inside my project code mastery. So here we have it. I'm gonna hit X here to close this one, and if I'm gonna go here and say switch workspace, now if I'm gonna choose other, I can see I'm actually, this is just to verify where I am. So currently our workspace is Project Code Mastery, okay, which also says in here. And now we can go ahead and create our Java projects or whatever we might want. So for example, if I'm gonna create a project called app, we can just go to this, create a new class and say main. And inside here, so inside our project code mastery, the folder that we just created, we should see all the files that we're just creating. And this is this essentially. Yeah. So inside my folder called Project Code Mastery, it's showing this folder. So essentially, if I'm going to put them one next to another, you're going to see. If I'm going to create another one is going to appear here and so on. So that is that.